President Bongbong Marcos wants stricter enforcement of visa rules in the country amid reported cases of exploitation by foreign nationals. When asked in an ambush interview if there is a need to enforce stricter visa rules on Chinese nationals entering the country, Marcos acknowledges the reported abuses in the process.
Ang problema lang, dahil maliwanag na maliwanag at lumalabas ang mga report na meron nag-aabuso nito. Kaya't babantayan namin ito. So what we will do is to more strictly enforce. Whereas dati hindi natin masyadong tinitignan, nakita natin maraming nagiging problema dahil dyan nakakakuha sila ng mga peke na dokumento, kung ano-ano ginagawa, may mga illegal, mga scammer, may human trafficking.
The Department of Foreign Affairs earlier said it is imposing an additional requirement for Chinese nationals who are seeking tourist visas. For the DFA, this would serve as a measure against syndicates who target new arrivals for exploitation in illegal Philippine offshore gaming operators or POGOs. Chinese nationals are now required to present social security documents on top of government IDs, bank documents, and employment certificates. Marcos points out that while the same rules apply to everyone, there is a need for stricter enforcement.
Pantay-pantay lang lahat, pero gagandahan namin ang enforcement doon sa examination, doon sa mga nag-a-apply ng visa o doon sa mga nagko-convert doon sa tourist visa ng student visa at yung mga bumibili ng lupa dahil nagtatanggap sila na Pilipino sila.